description with charts and pictures as well as instructions on how to apply the analysis trend continuation patterns, trend reversals patterns, candlestick analysis, Fibonacci retracements, and Elliott waves are examples of graphical analysis topics. A guide to basic fundamental indexes can be found in the teaching resource for fundamental analysis. The section on the psychology of trading is especially interesting as this is an educational category that is not offered by most brokers. You can find topic on trader psychology, successful trader, and individual trading psychology. Fees. Expert option is a fully free platform to register and trade with. Apart from the commission on successful trades, there are no associated fees with trading. However, your payment system or payment aggregator may charge a fee. Commissions and spread. Any successful trades at expert options are subjected to a $5 commission. As for payouts, the broker can take up to 5% of successful trades, which is lower than the industry standard up to 15%. Spread vary depending on the account type selected by the user can be low as zero point 0.1 points. It worth mentioning that spreads disease decrease or increase depending on market circumstances at different times. Leverage. Expert options leverage rates change based on the trade the investor is considering. Leverage is fixed at 130 for most forex pairs like EU USD. This standard is set by official sanctioned regulation and applies to all authorized brokers. The leverage on minor forex pairs such as Euro, NOK, CAD, NOK, NGD, USD, USD, SGD, and Euro PLN is set to 12:1:20. On expert option, the maximum leverage for other traded is 500:1. Bonuses. Expert option recently started providing 100% bonus to all its first time depositors. The bonus system is primarily due to high demand, with traders claiming a needed boost to get started trading. The 100% bonus is available on deposits of $30 or more, and traders will have 1 hour from the time their account is created to take advantage of it. Unlike with other brokers, accepting bonuses from expert option does not limit your ability to withdraw. If you choose to take the bonuses on offer, you will still be able to withdraw at any time. Existing traders can also take advantages of all the bonuses, but the percentage offered differs from the rate of first time depositors. Costume support. Expert option has made it pretty clear that customer service is a priority to them. The representatives or agents are accessible, knowledgeable, and pleasant to deal with. They are dedicated to delivering excellent customer service and acting a trustworthy broker by going above and beyond to meet the demands of their clients. You may reach out to customer service by phone, email, or live chat. The online chat service is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Over 100 account managers work for the broker, focusing on a variety of client needs. Expert option also promises to provide fast with its own dedicated platform. You will need to fill out the website's query form. If you want to send an email, simply provide the required information such as your name, phone number, email address, and message. After that, a professional agent will contact you, and the phone number is another way to reach expert option. Simply choose the country you want to dial in expert option. All outgoing calls will be charged according to city's tariffs indicated in brackets. This will differ depending on your phone operator. Customer support of expert option is available in several languages that which are